Take off the top and see what's inside.
The world's biggest mattress? World's biggest. The world's biggest pen.
Oh, it's tied.
Pen.
Oops, sorry.
Is it a set?
I don't know. That might be part of it. Untie the ribbon.
I'll do it.
Want to sit flat on the ground. Oh, there's more in here. Set it flat on the ground. Just says puppet feeder.
Puppet feeder? It's a puppet feeder. It's the biggest puppet feeder in the world.
It might be. I need scissors for that. What happened to those scissors? Are they over on the couch?
Will be.
Oops. Oops. Let's be careful with it so we can figure out which way it goes up. Oh! Ooh! There's some fantastic stuff going on. We have to figure it out. Here.
Show it. Get over here. Look.
Hold on. It's a complex structure.
We're getting a lot of things for Christmas.
You surely are. You guys are the luckiest kids in the world. Ooh! Ooh, okay. I have to figure out how to put it together. Alright. I'm going to have to come back to this.